Welcome to our calendar app. It's compatible with Google, iCloud, Outlook, Yahoo, Cozy, CalDAV calendars like Zoho, and URL-based calendars. You can sync all your family's events to Cozyla to view and edit them directly in our mobile app. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to sync Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 with your existing iCloud calendar and create a new event. First, tap the settings icon in the top right corner and navigate to the Calendars section. Next, tap the Add button beside the avatar. Select Apple Calendar from the list, and then you will see Connect to Apple Account. You will have to log into your Apple account on one of your Apple devices and create an app-specific password for your iCloud account to be synced with your Cozyla calendar. To do this, you need to follow Apple's guide for how to create an app-specific password. First, sign into your Apple account on account.apple.com. Then, in the Sign In and Security section, select App-Specific Passwords. Select Generate an App-Specific Password, then follow the steps on your screen. Enter or paste the app-specific password into the password field of the app when signing in to your Apple account. Once you've signed in, you'll be automatically returned to the Cozyla calendar page. Your email account will now appear under Existing Accounts. Tap on it, select the specific calendars you wish to sync with Cozyla, and confirm by tapping Done. Tap the black plus icon to create a new event. Enter a title and select an avatar. If this avatar is linked to an iCloud calendar, a drop-down arrow will appear. Click the arrow and choose the calendar to which you want to sync this event. That's it. Now you know how to sync iCloud Calendar with your Cozyla account. Make sure to explore features that can make your family's life easier and more connected. To learn more, check out other feature-specific setup videos in the description. And if you ever need help, don't hesitate to reach out to help@cozyla.com. Our customer support team will be happy to assist you. Cozyla, your family organizer.